This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. It's Friday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Well, the output of U.S. factories rose 0.4% in July. That is the best gain in 10 months. Capacity utilization increased a tenth of a point to 79.9 in July. That's still far below the level that would signal tight supply chains. The Empire State Index said its monthly survey rose to 2.8 in August. That's up from a negative 4.9 in July. Economists were expecting a negative 2.8, so that was a pretty good report. University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index rose to 61.7 in early August from 61.2 in July. Index reached an almost three-decade low in June. OPEC has cut its forecast for growth of global oil demand for a fifth month and said the production is more than adequate, signaling a more comfortable supply and demand balance. Meantime, oil futures were pressured by reports out this week suggesting that the global economy is slowing significantly. Reports from Europe, Asia, and the U.S. all pointed to the possibility of lower oil demand worldwide. General Motors will announce a multi-million-dollar investment at its Lordstown, Ohio plant and release photos of its new Chevrolet Cruze small car next week. And Toyota Motors plans to unveil a new Lexus hybrid and the next generation of its hot-selling Prius next year as the company looks to hit the 1 million mark in hybrid sales by 2010. AirTran Airways, a subsidiary of AirTran Holdings, said it will waive all baggage fees for active members of the U.S. military. AirTran does not charge for a first checked bag, but the second bag can cost between $10 and $20 to check. Scheduled U.S. economic reports next week include the Home Builders Index, Producer Price Index, the Housing Starts Report, Philly Fed Index, and the leading indicators from the Conference Board. In earnings news today, JCPenney Company reported a 36% decline in second quarter profit. Retail chain said that net income for the quarter was $117 million or 52 cents a share. Analysts were expecting 50 cents. Abercrombie & Fitch said its profit fell 4% to $77.8 million or 87 cents. Analysts expected a profit of 86 per share on revenue of $851.5 million. And Agilent Technologies reporting third quarter net income of $169 million compared with a net profit of $185 million a year ago. Company reported a profit of 45 cents a share. That's flat from the previous year. Next week, there are quite a few earnings on the calendar, including Home Depot, Target, Analog Devices, Hewlett-Packard, Long's Drugs, Foot Locker, The Gap, lots of retailers, Burger King, and Perry Ellis International. Some of the stocks in the news today. Ford, planning to build a new 7-passenger luxury crossover vehicle. Merrill Lynch will reportedly institute a hiring freeze for the remainder of the year. And Autodesk said earnings for the second quarter stayed largely flat despite better than expected revenue. Finally, La-Z-Boy downgraded by BB&T Cap, citing weaker demand for its products. And that is the Market Wrap here on this Friday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.